AGORACOM, Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Wednesday, February the 9th, got a number of great press releases for you. Results, China, Canada, you got it. Let's start you off first with Sandstorm Resources trades a venture under SSL. They're announcing that commercial production started at Luna Gold's Arizona gold mine. I'll explain to you why they're reporting on another company's mine production. Luna trades on the TSX venture into LGC. You might want to go take a look back in today's news. And the mine is located in Brazil. This is a gold purchase agreement. Under that gold purchase agreement, Sandstorm is entitled to purchase 17% of the life of mine gold produced from Arizona at a per ounce price, listen to this, equal to the lesser of $400 US per ounce or the prevailing market price. Market price naturally $400 an ounce is what they're buying it at. So you can imagine they get this great spread that they're going to make. Gold production November, December, January, just under 11,000 ounces. Full production ramp up is expected to consistently produce about 4,500 tons per day. It is on schedule for April 2011. And the company says that Luna's on track to meet 2011 gold production guidance of 55 to 60,000 ounces. So take 17% of that and multiply, and you get an idea of what Sandstorm is going to produce just off this Luna. Now, how does this work? The company completes gold purchase agreements with companies that have advanced stage development projects or operating mines. So what that involves is Sandstorm making an upfront cash payment to its partners in exchange, receiving the right to purchase a percentage of the gold produced for the life of the mine at a fixed price per ounce. It's a win-win for everybody because the company, most importantly, doesn't have to dilute. It just gives away part of its revenue stream, so why not? And I mean, technically, shareholders are losing that, but you're not getting that dilution in the marketplace that makes shareholder value more difficult to create. So I think this is a win-win. Great news here. Sandstorm closed 81 cents yesterday, 52-week range, 58 on the low, 97 on the high. Congratulations to Denver Harris and his team. I've heard a lot of great things about Sandstorm. So that's one to watch, that's for sure. Next up, going over to China, Yingli Green Energy trades on the NYSE under YGE. This is one of the world's largely vertically integrated photovoltaic manufacturers. I'll call them PV. Looks like they're announcing the U.S. subsidiary signed a new PV module supply agreement with San Diego-based Borrego Solar Systems. This is good news for two reasons. First, they're going to supply 20 megawatts of PV modules to Borrego Solar in 2011. These are slated for commercial projects across the U.S. Why is it? This is the second reason it's good news. Borrego purchased 10 megawatts of PV modules in 2010, used them in several high-profile projects, including the San Diego Community College District. So what that tells me is, A, you got a repeat customer. B, they must have been happy with the product. They're using it twice. They're using it in high-profile projects. A lot of eyes on projects like that. And if they succeeded and they've been happy, that's good third-party validation of Yingli's products. They closed yesterday 11.79, pretty much dead smack middle of its 52 trading range, 14.29 on the high, 8.31 on the low. Switching back to the venture exchange, Galway Resources, GWY, on the venture exchange, they announced that they hit 16 meters of 8.1 grams per ton of gold. These are assay results from 7 additional drills on their California property in Colombia. So names like that sometimes mess me up because it's a California company in Colombia, and that's Colombia as in the South American country. That headline hole was drilled near the midway point between strong results previously reported from 2 zones, including 1.5 meters of 80.0 grams ton of gold. Some additional highlights, but I want you to go take a look at the entire press release. 4 meters grading 176.2 grams, including 2 meters of 350 grams ton of gold. These are unreal numbers. 15 meters grading 3.2 grams, including 3 meters of 11.5 grams ton of gold, and a number of other highlights, but big numbers there. The company's involved, as you can tell, in the exploration of gold and coal in Colombia. Closed yesterday $1.04, $1.20 on the 52-week high, 63 on the low. Market cap looks like about $80 million. These are some big numbers. You got to do some more due diligence there. So congratulations to Robert Hinchcliffe and his team over there. And finally, looks like Temex Resources. Have we reported on them before here? TME on the venture, TQ1 in Frankfurt. They intersected high-grade gold in several holes on their Whitney property in Timmins. Highlight number here, 33.6 grams ton of gold over 2.4 meters and 21.2 grams over 4.1 meters. The Whitney property is located in the heart of the Timmins Gold Camp, and this part of an ongoing 15,000-meter diamond drill program. You got to love that. The highlights, including the headlines I already gave you, we also got 3.2 grams per ton of gold over 8.9 meters. And also have 44.3 grams over 0.5 meters. Some nice numbers there. That looks like that Whitney project is in partnership with Gold Corp. Gotta like that, because again, more third-party validation. And they've also got the Juby Gold project, which contains an NI 43-1 indicated resource, 614,000 ounces of gold, inferred resource, 602,000 ounces of gold. Closed yesterday 40 cents, 48 on the high, 17 on the low over the last 52 weeks. Market cap looks like it comes in around $30 million. If that's the case, I'm not making a valuation judgment or any kind of securities call here, but this seems like it's cheap, given what they've got as on the Juby project and what they're hitting here in partnership with Gold Corp. So I think you go take a closer look at Temex, no doubt. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Great press release today. If you watch this on Global Investor and want to discover more great small cap companies, then look either below me or to the left of me to take a look at the companies we've covered over the past few days. If you're not on the front page of AGORACOM, get there to watch this show on a daily basis, or you can watch the archive shows through YouTube, iTunes, whatever you prefer. Take a look at the best press releases out of the small cap space over the past few days and get into our directory to discover your next great small cap investment. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.